Are you tired of emotional trading and looking for a smarter way to grow your account? Introducing the Boom and Crash Golden Million E, an advanced AI auto trading robot designed for traders who want to make daily profits with controlled risk management. This powerful system analyzes the market in real time, executes trades automatically, and helps traders avoid emotional mistakes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, Golden Million E is built to deliver consistent performance with high accuracy entries and low drawdown strategies. You don't need to sit in front of charts all day because the AI handles the work for you 24/7. With a low minimum deposit and fully automated trading, this robot is becoming one of the top AI trading solutions in 2026. Start your journey with Boom and Crash Auto Trading and discover how smart automation can help you build daily profits safely and consistently.